Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Dodge Journey key fob. First, gather all your key fobs, both old and new, to ensure they are all programmed simultaneously. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions during the process. This guide will walk you through the simple, step-by-step procedure you can perform right inside your car, saving you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started. To begin, sit in your Dodge Journey with all key fobs. Insert a currently working key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, then immediately back to OFF. Repeat this on-OFF cycle 4 times, ending with the key in the OFF position. Within 10 seconds of the final OFF, press the unlock button on the new key fob you wish to program. You should hear a chime confirming success. If your key fob doesn't program on the first try, don't worry. Double-check that all your car doors are completely closed and locked before starting the sequence again. Sometimes, a weak key fob battery can prevent successful programming, so consider replacing it. While this method works for many Dodge Journeys, certain models or specific situations might require a professional scan tool for new key programming. To keep your key fob working reliably, protect it from moisture and extreme temperatures, which can damage its internal components. It's a good practice to replace the internal battery every 2 to 3 years to ensure consistent performance and avoid unexpected issues. Remember, a well-maintained key fob is a happy key fob. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.